Today's video, I got 10 simple hacks that you can implement almost immediately. All of these can make you more attractive, can make you more approachable, and you can implement them today. You ready, gents? Let's do it. Tip number one, gentlemen, I want you to think happy thoughts. I want you to be grateful. I want you to be an optimist because people find positive people more attractive. And this is something that is just simply, you can flip the switch. I know sometimes it's tough, but here's the deal. You become more attractive, not only to the opposite sex, but also to other people in general when you have a positive spin. When you practice being positive, let's say for 1 minute, you can then be positive for 2 minutes, maybe for 5 minutes, maybe for 25 minutes, but all of a sudden you start to feel better about yourself. And that leads me to tip number two, is all of a sudden you start to actually stand up straight. You start to actually raise those eyes. You start to actually act like you're stronger, like you're actually a more positive person. And people pick up on the body language. Some of you guys, naturally, you've built a habit to look down. No, raise those eyes up. Roll those shoulders back and walk like you've got something to give the world, like you know who you are and you know what you stand for. Next up, gents, I want you to smile, and a real one. Come on, we're going back to the happy thoughts. You're standing up straight, and when you see somebody, practice smiling. And you're gonna find when you smile at people, they're gonna smile back. That right there is gonna make you feel better, and all of a sudden, you're gonna come off as more attractive. Yes, when you smile, you are gonna be more attractive. They've got a whole study out there in which they compare the same person, one time he's smiling, then the next time he's not. People are looking at this, and the vast majority of both sexes find someone who smiles as more attractive. So the next tip to easily improve your style, gents, is to try something new, which may be a big step for a lot of you guys. So let's make it easy. Go out there, try one of those new subscription box services. Have you seen these things? Now, I want you to go check out Sprezzabox, the paid sponsor of today's video. And I love this company because they've shipped out over 1 million boxes, and they do a great job of when the boxes, the ones they ship to you, everything in there is curated and is going to work together. And guys, you don't have to take my word for it. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what's inside their boxes. All right, so let's go ahead and let's open this one up. The Bowery. And they've got a nice note here. And what I love is I've got exactly what is going to be on the inside of this box. This is what is on the inside of the box, and they give this to me right here. As you guys can see, I've got the Sprezza necktie right here. Next up, we've got the Shades Club sunglasses. What do you guys think? Clubmaster, classic style. Next up, I've got these Stesso socks. Nice weight to them. Next up, I've got this DB beanie, and I was actually in the market for a new beanie. I've never had one actually this color, but where I like gray, it's going to match pretty much anything in your wardrobe. And yeah, nice beanie. This right here made the whole package worth it. And then I've got this Oxford Square lapel pin. Now, guys, what'd you think? I thought that was a great box. And everything in there, if I were to add up all the prices, over $100. Guys, $28 a month. That's what Sprezzabox is going to cost you. I'm linking to them down in the description, and I want you to go check them out. But first, let's go get into another box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this one up, and we've got the Delancey. So first up, we've got a tie from Indochino. Good-looking tie, I think. What do you guys think? You like this tie? I think it's really nice. Next up, we've got Bedford and Broom socks. Next up, we've got the Sprezza pocket square. Look at the pattern on this pocket square. Next up, we've got some wine coasters, and we have a cord holder. So actually, I just ordered one of these. So it's kind of cool. And by the way, if you like anything you're seeing in today's video, let me know down in the comments, and I'm going to choose a few of you guys, send something out, but be specific, okay? Next up, we've got the Houston, and it's after Houston Street in Soho. All right, so the first thing we have is a Perry Ellis necktie, retail $45. That is a nice pattern, a little bit of paisley on purple, and I can tell you guys that purple is the color of kings. Next up, we've got some Zox socks, and I like this. We got a little bit of lavender, going to work with the purple necktie. Also inside, we've got some Thursday Boots laces for replacing the laces on your boots. Next up, we've got an Alara pocket square. This one very lightweight in a Glen check pattern. Check that out. Next up, we've got a classic keychain, as you can see right here. And at the bottom, we've got the Sprezza Valet, and I really like this. If you don't know what these are, basically you can put these on a desk, and they're like a hold-all for your keys or any small items that you would lose. And doesn't that look good? It's actually made from a nice leather. This right here made the box for me. Now, gents, what do you think of that box? I like that one. I especially like that valet tray, but let me know down in the comments if you saw something you like. Gents, free shipping in the US, an easy cancellation and return policy. I'm linking the Sprezzabox down in the description of this video with the best discount code you're going to find out there. Use it or lose it, guys. Oh, and stick around. At the end of this video, I'm going to open up one more box. Next up, gentlemen, take a shower. And I know what you're thinking, Captain Obvious, give me something new. But here's the deal with showers. Two things you may not know. Number one, starting with a cold shower. That is actually going to increase how fast you're breathing. Next up, they've actually shown that cold showers can increase testosterone and even improve the immune system. Now, part two of this is really interesting, and that is you should take a shower at any point that you think you smell, even if you're going to meet with someone through a video conference. You're wondering, how does that matter? Well, the study shows where actually people who thought that they smelled, they were less confident. So go shower, go clean up, feel good about yourself, because that's going to affect your confidence, even if the person on the other side has no way that they'll be able to smell you. So we've established that you don't want to smell bad, but what about smelling good? Guys, 80% of men do not have a signature scent. They don't wear fragrance on a regular basis. They've not trained themselves to actually associate a fragrance with feeling good. So how to find a signature scent? The problem with most men is that they let women choose their fragrances for them. You don't want to do that. You want to find something, put it on, and find what you like. Next thing you know, you got liquid courage you're using, you're going out there and you are killing it with those presentations. People are complimenting you not only on the way you look, they're getting up close and they're like, wow, I love the way that you smell and you feel better, you look more attractive. Next up, gentlemen, go exercise. Go to the gym and lift weights. Go for a run. And I know, Captain Obvious, of course, if I lose 25 pounds, put on 5-10 pounds of muscle, I'm going to, of course, be more attractive. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the psychology of simply going and exercising once. And yes, of course, you want to do this consistently. You do want to lose weight. You do want to put on the muscle, but it's about simply how you get the endorphins flowing in your body. And you are going to stand up straighter. You're going to think happier thoughts. See how this all works together, and you are going to feel better and you're going to look better. Next up, gentlemen, tuck in your shirt. Just see what it looks like. Look at yourself in the mirror, tuck that shirt in. Now, a lot of you guys are tucking in your shirt, but you're tucking it in incorrectly. So have you ever seen the military tuck? You need to try to incorporate this. This right here is going to keep that shirt tucked in. It's also going to slim up your appearance. Learn to tuck in your shirt correctly, and it's going to improve your image. Next up, gents, know the name of your tailor. Everything you wear needs to fit your body. Fit is king. I've talked about this hundreds of times on my channel, but so many guys just simply don't take this step. And all you have to do is take this clothing to a tailor. You may find that what you're going to get on a return on investment is huge compared to the small amount of money you're going to pay that tailor to dart those shirts, to shorten the sleeves on those jackets, to hem those trousers. All of a sudden, you're going to put that stuff on. You're going to look like $1 million. And that's what I want to see, guys, is for you to walk out, feel more confident, to look better, to get those compliments, and to improve, to become that man you know yourself to be. The next tip to be more attractive, cheat on your barber, because you've been going to that barber for 2, 5, 10, 15 years. Go see that stylist across town, and yes, ask them, what would you do different? What would you change up? Let them, throw some ideas your way. You don't want to go with anything extreme because yes, you can go back to your old look. But here's the deal, is they may do something you're like, wow, I don't even recognize that guy. And I love this look. And even if you change it up and you don't like it, believe me, you're going to get compliments. People are going to notice. You're going to feel better. If you don't, then go back to your old style, but you're going to try something new, and that's what we're going for. Okay, so let's open up this box. What do we have? The New Yorker. So first up, I've got a fashion watch from a company called DB. I like it. Came in a nice little case like this, and this is the watch right there. Next up, I've got socks from Sprezza socks. Actually, I like this pattern. I like this color. Again, they always send great socks. Now, this thing is really cool. A Nomad Lane money clip. So basically, you put your money there. And this right here, to me, makes the box. I absolutely love money clips, and I do not have one like this. The only thing missing with this money clip is a few $100 bills, right? Next up, I got this 4-in-1 wash. Now, this next item is the most interesting item I received in all the boxes. Can you guess what this thing is? This is an ice cube mold. So if you want to create some really interesting ice cubes, and my wife loves this stuff. She's all about creating, she bought these ice cubes that actually light up. Not ice cubes, they're plastic. But this right here, this is actually pretty cool. I've seen people actually create really big ice cubes, and I like this thing. I didn't expect to get something like this. Again, opening your mind to new ideas to make you stylish. All right, guys, so don't forget, go check out Sprezzabox. I'm linking to them down in the description. And, if you like any of the items you saw from Sprezzabox, let me know down in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. That's it. Take care. I will see you in the next video.